How to download a Chase Bank direct deposit request form. Hello everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a method in order to do so, which is pretty quick and easy. We can do it within the website. So let's get started. Open up a browser, and within a browser, we can go to chase.com. Just directly go to chase.com like this, and the Chase page appears here with the login option, etc. So you can sign in if you want to, or without even signing in, what you can do is look out for the menu option in the top left and tap on it, and this menu pops up on your screen. You can scroll down and go to the section for Connect with Us, and you'll be finding option called Customer Service. So you can tap on that option and head over to the next page. From the given menu, you can select the option for See Help option. So at the very top, you can find it up, you can tap on it and head over to the next page there. And this is your customer service self-service action page that will appear in this section. Now, what we need to do is from this page, scroll down from the self-service actions page and look out for this option called Search More Topics and tap on it. And it will provide you with this option of the search bar available. So in the search in the top, you can directly type in direct deposit and hit search. And once you do, it will give you the results you're looking for. And when you scroll down at the very first option, you'll be finding an option called Chase Direct Deposit and Direct Deposit Form. So go ahead and find that option right there and tap on it. And after you do so, you will be taken to this page. You can scroll down and here it will show you two easy ways to get your direct deposit form. One is signing into chase.com, or you can look out for this option called download the form. You can tap on that PDF and it will take you to another page where you can find the form available. You can directly download it. You can tap on the three dot on the top and select the option of download from here and print it also if you want to print it out, and you can just go and fill out the form from the section right here, and that's it. So usually this is how you should be able to download a Chase Bank direct deposit request form of PDF versions. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.